Hey, did you know? Most recycled paper is made from short and fragile fibers. The fiber network is loose and unstable, resulting in low burst strength and poor durability.
Paper fails when you need it most. This is the hidden weakness that hinders recycled paper performance. Until now, introducing our revolutionary burst strength enhancing polymer coating.
Recycled paper, the game changer it's been waiting for. Here's how it works. Our advanced polymer penetrates deep with moisture into the short fibers of waste paper. When the paper dries, the polymer permanently bonds these tiny fibers together, transforming the fragile, unstable network into a strong, unified structure. The result? Dramatically improved burst strength, folding endurance, and edge crush strength, transforming ordinary recycled paper into high-performance material that rivals virgin kraft paper. And for virgin long-fiber kraft paper, the network is already strong, so you won't see significant improvement. This proves our polymer is specifically designed to solve the real problems of recycled paper. Want waterproof performance too? Perfect match.